It's your boy, Corn Dogs for Days. And today we've been tasked not to press a button. Now, yeah, basically that's all we're doing. We're pretty much just chilling. Yeah. Wait, what did you do? What did you do?
I just pressed the button.
Oh my god!
Ugh. What was I supposed to do again? Press the
You were
button?
supposed to not press the button, bro. Alright, let's go. You've been tasked not to press the button. Remember, do not press the button. Okay?
Why?
Because it does bad things. Oh, hey, your sister joined. Oh my god. Why did you press it?
I'm a pretty princess.
Good job. Good job.
Turned into a pretty princess.
But why did I have to knock? Hold on, bro.
Ow.
Did this just become Undertale? Bro, what is this? Freaking Undertale time. Yo! Bro.
So we're not.
Don't press the button. Don't. No, stop. Don't press the button. Quick, push it. Push it, you guys. Out. Push it out. Good. We did a great job. Yeah, you did it. You did it, bro. You did it. Alright, don't press the... Why did you press it? Stop pressing.
It's not half bad. This one's not half bad.
I know. It's actually pretty nice.
Mario music.
Alright, I'll just cover your sister's territory. I'm covering... Yes, we got more.
But aren't we all here to work together?
No. Only us. Get shot. Due to my lack of lacking,
Okay.
no! Wow! How much did I get? Remember, don't. Oh my God! Stop pressing the button. You stay away. Why are you killing me? I'm your friend.
Come over and press the button and I dare you. Come on.
Remember, don't press the button. Oh my God. Bro, this one's not half bad. How did you die, bro? Oh, lack of oxygen. Why do we all have this special power to not lack oxygen?
Oh, I like this one. It's working on the team.
This one feels good. Yo. No! Why did I do that?
You're going down, Jaffa. You're
PO.
going down, Jaffa.
Alright, I guess that's the name. Just Safa. No, stop pressing.
That was me.
Bro, you're already at the top? Did you already get to the top?
I did it.
Did you were, okay, fine. I'm gonna press the button. How do you like it? Huh, dang it. Oh yeah, you have to flip a table. Bro, why am I shaking? You're in a trance. Oh my god. No! Yes! It was just constant screaming. Anyways, I'm gonna press the button. Just in spite, I'm gonna press the button.
Guys, I'm stuck.
What?
Why weren't we supposed to press the button?
Because it does dangerous things like this.
This isn't dangerous.
Yes, if you touch the laser. Alright, bet, touch the laser. See? That's what happens. That's
Still alive, don't worry.
no. Dead.
Oh, you're a professor.
Hear me? Dead. Bro, I can get closer to the camera. Say, see?
Well, at least I have more control.
Yo,
Press the button.
don't stop pressing it. Here. Stop letting the noob attack it.
Piper, kill him.
This is a racist ninja. Destroy them! Demolish. Vanquish them, as the old-timers say. Bro! We're getting attacked! I died. Guys! Oh, shoot. I just respawned. You're so... Wow, you're so... Wrong platform, bro. We did it. Just in spite. I'm gonna press it. Take that. Found a log. Get all the logs, bro.
I'm sure we're still gonna fall. So boring. I can't believe I even pressed the button to get this.
Why does everyone rush to press the button?
Grayson,
What? What?
what's gonna be the next? Are we gonna do the ending?
Yeah, we are. Don't worry.
No.
Alright. Alright, guys. Goodbye. Subscribe. Hold up. Alright. I think let's transfer into a different universe.
Yeah.
Here, bro. Now.
Make sure to what was this again? I forgot. Why am I even part of this again? Oh!
My channel. Yo, make sure to like and subscribe and eat some corn dogs. Goodbye.
That dog.
Eat that corn dog.